GM, this is your 60 seconds of Solana ecosystem news. If you want to grow your local Solana community, you can make an event with Only Possible on Solana and possibly even get a Solana Foundation grant. Only Possible on Solana is definitely the marketing direction. The price of Sol is $20.68. Here it comes to his views regarding if FTX will sell $600 million worth of Sol. Summary, overall, 100% good. Camino Finance have launched Creator Vaults. Cash has an engaging message about staking your Sol. Fluxbeam has a new way to trade on Solana. Just type and the AI will do the rest. Just a reminder that Phantom with their sign in with Solana feature is game changing. Margin5 V2 passes 1 billion in total volume. The DJ and Ape Academy Week 13 drip, Origin of the Guardian. Migos trading is live. Solana Sensei suggests researching these 3 projects. Play the High, Sol Casino, and Photo Finish game. Coco has now dropped over 30% in the last few days. Just try to time your trades a little bit better. I buy Sol every day and I stake with Validator.com and Dix. Stay curious, catch you tomorrow.